cut eggplants into wedges or cubes. Chop garlic, then heat about 2 cups oil on medium-high heat. When the oil is hot enough, deep fry potato first. Fry them until golden brown. Then remove them from the oil. Next, deep fry eggplant until golden brown. Remove them from the wok. Then also remove oil. Leave about 1 teaspoon in the wok. Add garlic and also bell pepper. Stir. Then we add back potato and eggplant. Now we're adding the stir-fry sauce. Stir and to coat evenly. Delicious eggplant triple delight with garlic sauce. Awesome, delicious. Love eggplant. This is the best.
You can find Ying's Kitchen sauces with recipes right on the bottle at many local grocery stores. Go to yingskitchen.com for locations and more recipes.